General Motors has officially unveiled the fourth-generation 2019 Chevrolet Silverado before the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, revealing a bigger truck that will be offered in 8 models with 6 powertrain combinations, more technology, and new features compared to the outgoing model when it goes into production this fall. New from the ground up and riding on a new platform, the 2019 Silverado also gets a redesign after criticism the outgoing generation did not make enough of a splash. There will also be greater differentiation from the 2019 GMC Sierra, which will be shown later this year. Both pickups will go on sale at the same time late this year. The 2019 Silverado's 8 trim levels include Work Truck, Custom, Custom Trail Boss, RST, LT, LT Trail Boss, LTZ, and High Country. The Silverado is 1.6 inches longer with the wheelbase stretched by 3.9 inches, and is also wider and taller. And even though it still uses a lot of steel, it has dropped up to 450 pounds and promises better fuel efficiency.